Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIV Visions, and today I'm going to show you some of the special features VisionX has for importing Excel sheets. As you can see, I already have an empty screen open. I'm going to click the plus at the bottom to select my data source. I will choose the top option, Take Data from a Spreadsheet. For this example, I'm just going to copy and paste my data from my Excel sheet. After clicking Next, I can see the preview of how VisionX imported my data. I will make the screen a bit bigger so I can see everything. One of the main things to remember is that oftentimes the first row contains the labels, so I want to make sure that is recognized by checking the first box. The second thing to remember is that with multiple instances of the same value, in this case any values entered 2 or more times, VisionX will create a combo box. However, it may be the case that you don't want a combo box for that field. It would, after all, be crowded if you have to choose a zip code from a drop-down menu. It would be much easier to enter that text yourself. So to remove the combo box, you can either disable the drop-down detection, which will disable all of them in your screen, or if you want to preserve the combo boxes in other fields, you can increase the number of instances needed for a value to be recognized as needing a combo box. For my screen, I only need to increase it to 3, as the same zip code is not entered more than twice here. This will disable the zip code drop-down menu, but leave the others unaffected. Now, let's say I want to have a checkbox field. For that, I need to make sure the yes/no detection is checked. I also need to make sure in my Excel sheet that every field I want to be checked or left unchecked is either a Y for yes or an N for no. You may also have empty rows or columns. If you don't want them added, you can check the Ignore Empty Lines and/or the Ignore Empty Columns line. Lastly, I might need a different delimiter. If that's the case, I can change it in the corresponding text field. Usually, I don't need to do this with importing an Excel sheet, so I will keep the tabulator as delimiter option. After clicking Finish, I can see that my data has indeed been imported. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.